G'day all, welcome to Shane's Shed. Obviously I'm Shane. This is going to be the second video in the series for replacing the injector leak-off line on my 2.7 turbo diesel Land Rover Discovery. It's 2005 model. This is the second time I've done this job since I've owned the vehicle, so yeah, kind of, you'd think I was an old hand at it, but I made a few mistakes later on, so if you stick around you'll probably see that. But first video was about removing basically all the electrical components off the injectors, so basically disconnecting the harness so I can move those out of the way so I can get access to the leak-off lines. If you'd like to see that video, I'll throw a card up the top here. Click on that, go check it out. I'll patiently wait here while you watch that. So let's continue where we left off in the last video then, shall we? So these are the leak-off plugs or leak-off lines we're going to get out. I'm just going to give this a bit of a spray just to clean some of the loose dirt and crap out of the way. Just because we don't want to get any dirt into those new plugs and new lines when we whack them in. So this is just a bit of contact cleaner. Just be enough to get some of that loose dirt off. Guys, you'll probably notice on this new one, we have the line that goes into the fuel cooler, basically the oil cooler, which is there is a quick release connection underneath this Y piece. So just to make access a bit easier, I'm going to drop this out. It's I think it'll make, from memory, I'm pretty sure I had it out last time, but it just means we need to pull this Y piece out, which is not overly difficult when plugs want to come undone, which doesn't seem to be likely at the moment. Every electrical plug has been a challenge. But anyway, it is what it is. This out. I've never actually tried to remove it without pulling the fan. I might give it a go. Alright, so as you can see, we've got that Y piece out. We can now access that quick release fairly easily from this cooler line. Off the cooler to the leak-off pipe. So once all that's out of the way, it makes this real easy, and because I don't have any EGRs hooked up, it's pretty simple. So now is going to come the fun job of actually disconnecting the leak-off lines. So we need to, there's a little clip in there. Needle nose pliers are essential. Ones that like these that have a little bend are really useful. That's what I used last time. So we basically need needle nose pliers and a little screwdriver just to lever these clips out. I'll see what I can do about filming it. Apologies for the noise in the background. That's annoying. Going to annoy the hell out of all you lot, I'm sure. But yeah, I'll do my best to film it. It's kind of tight. I'll need to get some light in there, but I'll set that up. Let's see how we go. Okay, now I'm just going to film this one here because it's going to be the easiest one that you guys are going to be able to see. So I'll just point out, there's the leak-off line from the injector, and here's this little clip we need to remove now. Make sure you get a good hold on these because they can go flying quite easily, and you don't really want to lose them. So let's see if we can just lever it out a little. I'm trying to not obstruct the camera, and yeah, which I don't think I'm going to be able to do properly, but yeah, anyway. I'm sure I'll get a good take on this. Trying to keep my hand out of the way of the shot is just not really working real well for me. Right, and there we go. See, I've moved that out a fraction. So I'm just going to try and grab hold of that with my pliers. And there we go. So that is the clip. As you see, it just slides straight out as I just pulled out. Try not to lose them. And then this part of the leak off plug then just slides straight out. Again, trying to film and do this, not the easiest. So there we go, that's out. So we need to do that on another 5 more injectors. I'll probably put the camera down for that and we'll get back into it. Alright, so yesterday had a pretty good run getting all the, basically everything ready for the leak off pipe to come out. Unfortunately I dropped one of the clips. I know I probably said earlier, you need to be careful because they go everywhere. Well, I dropped one, didn't hit the ground. So I've got a full set of 6 this morning. So today we are going to pull this leak off pipe out. So we've got just this release here on the cooler, and then we've just got to release it, pop them out from each injector and bring the whole lot out. So you can see the leak off pipes go under all the high pressure lines and basically over here. It's pretty easy once we get it out. Now hopefully, I don't know whether you see, this one here has got the full length of the little nipple. So this one here that I pulled out, I've broken. So we're going to have to just drop that out. Hopefully it's easy enough to get out, but we'll see how we go. We'll just need to make sure we get all those pieces out before we throw the next one in. Anyway, I'll continue ripping this out. So that's a little broken piece from the leak off pipe. Okay everyone, so that's the leak off line all out now. So I'm going to finish this video off at this point. and on the next one we're going to continue on with the reinstallation of the new leak off line. So if you enjoyed this video and you're not a subscriber, you'd like to see that video next week, then please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and yeah, we'll see you then. If you're enjoying the video series so far, please leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. It really helps, and I appreciate your watching, and I'll see you next one. Cheers guys.